electric mirrors for our electric bikes.
So he already has one on, and he's working on the other one. Somewhere he's lost
I
something.
hate to do this, but you end up having to cut material so it's got the holes. But I actually ended up having to cut to make
Pieces off. Yeah.
the hole bigger. And I hate to do that, but I could not get that other one in. It feels like sloppy surgery because I don't like having to do that, but I think the trick is to use some soap to make it slick enough to slide in.
So what have you got there?
That's the Allen wrench that came with it. And then you have to, I thought I had it. So I'm using a pair of vice grips to collapse that.
And squish it in, huh?
And squish it in.
Is that how you hold the bike?
Now, once you get it started, and I use this to push it the rest of the way in.
And then you tighten it.
And then you tighten it.
Is that what the directions say?
Uh-huh.
Oh, interesting.
I mean, the mirror will adjust, but I want to kind of keep them straight up and down. So you tighten this, and there's a collar in there with flat spots. And I don't think you have to get it real tight, so I'm not getting them real tight, just tight enough where I can't move them by hand. And then when you get on, you can kind of adjust where you want them, and then use the little Allen wrench that comes with the kit to tighten that little collar so they won't just move in the breeze. And I'm not going to make it super tight because we can always tighten it up, but if we make it too loose, there you go, there's one set.
Ta-da.
Ta-da. Okay, her mirrors are on. Just put your foot up on the table. Get them adjusted how you think you might like them to ride. I can turn that upside down if you want
No,
it.
I don't want it upside down.
Okay. If you got them where you think you want them, then I will tighten them.
Well, I'll know better out on the road.
Yeah, well, I won't make them super, super tight. I'll just tighten them so they won't be floppy.
Yeah, that looks good, I
Okay.
think.
So, like, subscribe, and meet us on the road.